guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be baking. For those of you who are not familiar yet with bread pudding, it is basically recycled bread from stale bread, an old bread. For this, we'll be using a week-old bread. It is a whole wheat bread. We bought it. It's much bigger than this. Normally, this kind of bread only lasts for up to 3 days if it's in a room temperature, or up to 5 days if it's in your fridge. So I think this will be good. This will be enough for our bread pudding. Now, I did found a recipe in Pinterest. If you're familiar with Pinterest, I do use Pinterest to find different types of recipes, or if I want to learn new things to cook or new recipes to cook. So from that recipe that I found, it only indicates 6 slices of bread, but I don't think this is 6 slices of bread. I think this is more than 6 slices of bread. So what we will be doing is we will just tweak the ingredients a bit. We'll put more than what it is necessary or it is indicated in the original recipe. So let's begin baking. Let's start mixing the ingredients that we need for the bread pudding. Let's start first with the liquid ingredients. So what we need is 2 cups of fresh milk. We'll just use a measuring cup so that it will be exact. So next, we'll be needing 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then for the dry ingredients, we'll be needing 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. My cinnamon is put in a recycled jar, so. And then we'll be needing 3/4. Supposedly you need white sugar, but since I don't have white sugar, we'll be using brown sugar for this. Then lastly, you will be needing 4 eggs. Once you have beaten the egg, mix it together with the rest of the ingredients. So just mix together all the ingredients in a bowl. This is our bowl, just enough to put in all the ingredients or mix all the ingredients in.
A few minutes later.
So next, we will need to grease the pan with butter. Actually, I'm not sure what size this pan is, but on the recipe, it says that you need to grease an 8-inch pan. But due to the size of our bread, we'll be using this type of pan. This will be way much easier and it will save us some dishes to wash.
3,000 whoop-hoos later.
Okay, this is our bread now. Next is we get the liquid mixture that we made and you drizzle it all over until all the bread are soaked. Make sure that all the bread are soaked with the liquid mixture. You can use a fork to push in the bread so that they will be soaked in the liquid. Just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while you preheat the oven to 176 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, it's done. Let's get it out of the oven. Look at it. It's so nice. Here it is guys, our bread pudding. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next vlog. Bye!